हेलो बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जेईई मेंस 2020 प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, इन अ वर्कशॉप देयर आर 5 मशीन्स एंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी वन ऑफ देम टू बी आउट ऑफ सर्विस इज 1/4. ओके, so probability of out of service is given to us is 1/4, which means in service it is 3/4. So out of service probability is 1/4. In service you can say then probability is 3/4. Okay, which means machine is working properly. Then they are saying if the probability that at most 2 machines will be out of service, at most 2 machine out of service. The meaning of this one is we can say exactly 2 machines out of service plus exactly 1 machine out of service plus no machine out of service. Okay, at most 2 we have. So exactly 2 machine out of service, which means out of 5 any 2 machines we will get out of service. Probability of that you will get, but out of service probability is 1/4. So 1/4 is square. So in service machine probability is 3/4 cube. Total 5 machines are there, which means out of 5 3 are working, 2 not working. So 3 working, which means probability 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. 2 not working, which means 1/4, 1/4. Now out of 5 exactly 1 machine we have out of service, which means remaining 4 are working properly. So 1/4 and 3/4 power 4, and then 5 is 0. No machine is out of service, means which means every machine is working properly. So यहाँ पे आपके पास आएगा 3/4 power 5. Okay, so यहाँ पे overall 3/4 power 3 common. 5 से 2 we have 10 multiply with 1/16, then 5 upon 16 and multiply with 3 we will get, and here we have it at 3 9 upon 16. Okay, so 3/4 whole cube, here we have 16, that will give you 10 plus 15 plus 9. Okay, we need this one is equal to 3/4 power cube multiply with k. So k value we have to calculate. So 3/4 power cube, 3/4 power cube cancel out. So k is equal to 34/60. That will give you 17/8 as correct answer. Okay, so our k value is 17/8, which is option number 3. Thank you.